Okay, in this video, what I'm going to show you is how to change the subject of a formula. So if I have an equation, if I have an equation y equals x plus y, I might want to have it so that my equation equals 0. So what I want to do is to get a 0 on one side of the equation. So if I want to get it on the left of my equation, so what I need to do is to get rid of that 1 from that side. So it's a plus 1, so I have to subtract 1 from both sides of my equation. When I subtract 1 from 1 on the left, I get the 0 that I want, and on the right, I have x plus y minus 1. And that's as easy as it is to get the 0 as the subject of my equation. Now, if I take the same equation over here on the right, I'll change the colour of my pen. If I take the same equation, 1 equals x plus y. And let's say for this equation, I want to make x the subject of my equation. I will change it back to black. Okay, now in this one, I want to make the x the subject of the equation. So I need to get the x onto the left and the 1 over onto the right. So let's do this one step at a time. Let's get rid of the 1 by subtracting 1 from both sides, which is just what we did before. So now I have 0 equals x plus y minus 1. And now to get the x onto the left, I take that x, and it's a plus x, so I need to subtract x from both sides. So I have minus x equals y minus 1. Now, as you can see, my x has become negative. So in order to change that to cross to a positive, I can multiply both sides by minus 1. So that means that I have to multiply everything on both sides. So minus x times minus 1 is x. Y times minus 1 is minus y. And minus 1 times minus 1 is plus 1. So my new equation with x as the subject is x equals minus y plus 1. Let's just have another go at a little bit more complex equation. 6 equals 2x plus 3y. Now, it wouldn't matter if I had more pronumerals or fewer pronumerals. It depends on what I'm trying to make the subject. So in this case, let's make the subject of our equation 0. Okay, so I want to get a 0 on the left. That's the point of the exercise. So just like we did previously, subtract 6 from both sides. Okay, I write that down just so it helps me know what I've done on both sides. So 6 minus 6 is 0. And on the right, I have 2x plus 3y minus 6. Now, this is often a very good place to start. Let's change this and let's try and we want to make the y the subject of our equation. So now I'm taking that same equation from where I am, and I want to get the y over to the left. So what I can do is subtract 3y from both sides. And so now I have minus 3y equals 2x. Now 3y minus 3y, that is all, cancels it out, minus 6. So now you can see that I have minus 3y on this side. So what I want to do to get rid of the times 3y, that's times minus 3, is divide both sides by minus 3. And so this will get rid of the minus and the 3 all in one go. Divide by minus 3. So if I divide the left by minus 3, that leaves me with just the y, which is what I want as the subject of my formula. Now here, when I do 2, I have to divide that by minus 3. And then I have my have 6 divided by minus 3. So I can simplify that. Oh, I've lost my x. Y equals minus 2 over 3x. A minus and a minus make a plus. 6 over 3 is 2. So that's that equation solved. All right, I hope this helps you be able to manipulate your formula to get different subjects of your formula. All right, well, good luck with that.